Good morning! A beautiful day out here in Wisconsin. I am walking Charlie. Charlie, come say hi. There he is. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. There's Charlie. Oh, we got a heavy deer trail right here. Right through there. But yeah, it's about 9 a.m. It's a little brisk. My car thermometer said 11 degrees. But the wind, we got some wind coming through the trees here. That is definitely making it feel colder than 11 degrees. But it's all good. Once we get moving, you won't even notice it. We're gonna do about a mile, maybe a little bit longer. Enjoy this beautiful scenery on some public land here. Saturday. It's gonna be a great day. We had a couple fresh snowfalls 2 nights in a row there. So we should be seeing a bunch of tracks. Dog's fired up to get some exercise. Let's get her on the move here.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round young virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace.
And I was just thinking how grateful I am to be alive today. There are some people that did not wake up. How grateful I am to be out on this walk. Some people have the capability to not go on walks like this. Maybe a war veteran stepped out of mine, something crazy, you never know. Could be a million reasons why. So I was just thinking of how grateful I am to be able to go do something like this. And it has the same mindset that I use when I go to the gym to lift weights, when I don't always want to go to the gym and do that. I just got to remind myself the gratitude that I get to go do it, not the mindset that I have to go do it. So there's some words of advice right there. Let's get you up in the trees! Up in the trees! Yeehaw! Charlie, quit running into me. What are you doing? Freaking dog. He comes out a full sprint and runs into my legs. I'm gonna freaking knee him in the head. I don't want to, but I'm not gonna be taken out by no dog. I'm gonna take his ass out. You know what I'm saying, motherfucker? Keep it up, you're gonna have a headache. I don't want to, but I will. I gotta learn somehow. The snow is definitely getting deep out here. Lucky we got a little track built to walk in. But if there wasn't a track, I would highly be considering my, what are they called? What are they called? Wow, I'm having a brain fart. I just bought them earlier this summer. You strap them on your feet and they're like this long. Well, they can be short, they can be longer. Snowshoes. Snowshoes, duh. I'm the verge of needing some snowshoes. We're good for now because we got a little trail. Anyways, beautiful day, loving this walk. All right, final 100 yards of our hike today. Say bye, Charlie. Lots of fresh deer tracks. Nice peaceful forest. I thought I just heard an eagle doing like that screeching noise they do in the trees, but I could never see them. There was something around screeching. How's the beard and mustache? A little frozen? Oh yeah, a little frozen. Nice. Some man shit right there, ladies. I'm taking though. You remember that? You write that down. But yeah, thank you for joining us on our walk. I hope you enjoyed the scenery here in Wisconsin. It's a beautiful place. All these walks I take, I barely ever see anyone else on them, so it's great. I'm a little nervous here. I backed into this spot and my tires were spinning. Now I at least have some tracks to come out. But my little car, I'm on the verge of not being able to make it. Not at the very end where the snowplow came. There's probably a foot of snow I had to bust through. I should be able to make it out, but slightly worried I can't. But I can get some help if need be. Anyways, y'all have a great day. We're gonna load up and get out of here, and we'll see you tomorrow.